How do you pressure test the engine cooling system? If you are a boat owner, you know how important it is to keep your engine cooling system in top shape. One effective way to do this is by pressure testing the system. So, how do you pressure test the engine cooling system? Let's break it down step by step. First, make sure your engine is cool. This is essential for safety and accuracy. Next, check that the cooling system is filled with coolant to the correct level. You can find this information in your engine manual. Once you have confirmed these details, remove the radiator or heat exchanger cap. Now, it is time to grab a pressure tester. You can rent one from an auto parts store or purchase one specifically designed for marine use. This tool typically includes a hand pump and a gauge to monitor the pressure. Attach the pressure tester to the cap opening where you removed the cap. Begin pumping the tester until you reach the recommended pressure for your engine. Most marine engines requiring a pressure between 7 and 15 pounds per square inch. Always refer to your engine manual for the exact specifications. Once you have set the pressure, keep an eye on the gauge. If the pressure remains steady, your cooling system is likely in good condition. However, if you notice a drop in pressure, this indicates a leak somewhere in the system. While the pressure is applied, visually inspect all hoses, connections, and components like the water pump and heat exchanger. Pay close attention to gaskets and seals, as these are common areas for leaks. In addition, check where raw water enters and exits the system. Leaks in these areas can lead to seawater entering the engine or coolant leaking into the bilge. If you suspect a leak but cannot see it, use a flashlight and mirror to inspect harder-to-reach spots. For those tricky leaks, some boaters recommend using a soapy water solution. Spray it on suspected areas and watch for bubbles forming, which indicates a leak. This method is simple and effective for identifying small leaks. If your engine is out of the water or not running, you can leave the pressure on for several minutes. This is a great way to check for slow leaks. Regular pressure testing is a smart practice during routine maintenance or after repairs. Pressure testing the engine cooling system is an essential part of boat engine maintenance. By following these steps, you can help prevent overheating and costly repairs. Keeping your engine in good shape ensures smooth sailing for many seasons to come.